I wish you were here. I can't breathe without you. You occupy my thoughts. You've been running through my head all night. The world is not the same when you're away. I've been thinking of you. I think of you day and night. I can't wait to be with you again. I can't work because all I do is think of you. I feel sad without you. I hope I see you again soon. I long for you. I look forward to seeing you again. I miss you so much it hurts. I smile when I think of the time we spent together. Your presence makes me a happy person. I'm incomplete without you. I would like to be with you again. I can't sleep because I've been thinking of you so much. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't wait to talk to you again. I think about you all the time. I was thinking about you and it made me smile. Your picture makes me smile. I'm counting the days till I see you again. When will I see you again? You crossed my mind. Thank you for watching. Do share your favorite expression for missing someone in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.